Okay, this video is to teach you how to use JIRA's mobile apps that you can use the JIRA to do some very quick checking and in our tickets. Okay, first you can download the JIRA apps free from the Google Play Store. Okay, so you can go to Google Play Store and then you type in JIRA and you will have the JIRA Cloud. Then you can see this. Okay, so you can actually install it. Then you can log in using the company's the usually the your company email address and your password to log in. Okay, so right, so let's say you already downloaded like me and you already log in. Okay, for you to check, for example, I already in the WhatsApp group, I say I already share the payroll information in the comment field. So for example, you want to check that particular employee payments, so you can go to the search, right? Then you can put in the employees, the the numbers. Okay, then you will just do a searching. Then you can see this is a Lazada 822 job and this is a CR. So actually you can go click here and you can see this is the jobs, and what is the linking. There's a linking of payroll 604. There is the this linking for CR, right? Then this is projects under the Lazada TAM and all this. You want to see more information, there's some information about that. Your start date, end date, you also can update here. So it's not like you need to go to the computer. Now what I'm showing you is this is the information that I talking in the WhatsApp. So from here I also explain it one more time. Payroll tickets, this is a payroll tickets number that this payrolls team based on the tickets to upload into the banks. So if you want to check whether the bank, you want to help the payroll teams to speed up the checking, you can tell them this is under the payroll 604, payroll ticket 604. Then they will easily identify in the Maybank online, then actually easily to find the particular person, rather than you just give them the ID, then they have to search all the way and find the particular employee, because it might be you are referring to different batch of payment. So that is very important. Second thing, this is the ID just to match the employee ID. Basics, okay, for this case the basics is 273.9 ringgit. How this basic calculate? The basic for the temp, basically he'll calculate based on the normal work hours. Normal work hours will show here at the work hours for 33 hours. So 33 hours, you can actually very easy 33 hours, then you times 8.3, then you got 273.9. So this is the basic. However, for the monthly contract, basic is the basic. For example, for Lazada is a, for warehouse 1,300, it will show here. Or let's say he's starting work only the half month, then it will be prorated here. The second field is the OT. The OT basically is this OT with the amount sign is actually the total OT amounts that we need to pay to the staff. So this 183.6 is a total, which is including OT 1.5, OT 2.0, OT 3.0 if there's any. So if you want to know the breakdown you have to go down here. So you can see here the OT, OT 1.0, OT 1 with the amounts, OT 2, this is not 1.0, this is 1.5, is short form. With OT 1 is 0 hours, OT 1 the amount is 0 hours definitely. Then this is OT 2.0 is 11 hours, and OT 2.0 dollar sign, which is this 11 hours become the amount, which is 182.6. OT 3.0 which is 0 hours, and the amount definitely 0. This non-pay leave days, this is by day. So if let's say you have any deduction of the non-pay leave, then it will be day. Here will be the amount in here. Okay, whether there's any allowance, the allowance will be showing here. So in this case, your second batch will have showing the allowance here. Basically, like for example, your waiting allowance, your bonus will be showing here. Gross is meaning you sum up the basic OT, non-pay leave allowance, and some deduction, then this is gross. After some deduction again, then this is a net. Net basically 456.5 is the amount that we're going to credit into their bank account number. Okay, so this is the amount. Let's say for example they want to check this amount, so you have to tell them, oh, the amount credit to you is 456.5. okay, now for this here following, all the field is R is employer EPF contribution, R SOCSO is employer SOCSO contribution, this is a PCB amount, this is a employee their own staff EPF deduction, and the SOCSO deduction. For in this case, because it's a temp, so it's all 0. Okay, so for you to check is very easy. For you to update the information using the apps will be easy. So, and then you also can go back to work on whatever the issue that assigned to you. For example, you can create a you can look at the filters. Is any filters that you are looking at. Normally I look at whatever the credit that I in progress, already done, to do, then already done will be down here. Alright, so basically you focusing on here, then basically easy for you to access. Okay, alright, thank you very much.